Hey, all my beautiful people. Hey, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. And guess what? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000, okay, in 1 week with no skill, no job. All right, so first thing you have to understand is this. This is the online world here. Now, let me show you proof first, because you might be saying, Wesley, that's BS. There's no way that you can make money in 7 days. You can't make $1,000. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna log out my account and I'm gonna show you real people that are just like you, brand new people who are making money using the technique that I'm gonna give you for free. Is that cool? Okay, great. Let me log in. Okay, so affiliates is called people like you that promote programs, okay? Now let's go to my affiliate report here. That's top list. This is one of my many merchant accounts here. Okay, now look, all these people right here. Can everybody hear me? Hit the like button or put let's go below. I just want to make sure you hear me because I know sometimes I speak fast. Okay, can everybody hear me clearly here? Okay, what I'm showing you, what you're looking at are people. These are actual people on the planet who were new people. They didn't have a lot of skill. One thing about me that people like Wesley Virgin, because I teach like brand new people. I don't teach the veterans. I don't teach the people who have been doing internet marketing for years. I teach the new people that have never created an online course in their life, you know, never made money. This is for you. And guess what? Look at these people here. $8,000. Super sign up. That's a real live person. And then this is per month revenue, $5,800 here. Okay. Mr. Possibilities. But all these people here, they're making money, okay? Using the technique that I'm about to show you. And guess what? Doesn't take any money. It's free. So pay attention. First thing you got to do is this. You have to get a Digistore account, okay? Does that make sense? How many of you have a Digistore account? Let me show you what Digistore is. Now understand something, because people, listen, you know, it's so fun. So people every day, they say, Wesley, what is Digistore? What is Digistore is what pays you, okay? Every week I get deposits to my bank account about $100,000 to $200,000 per week from the information and the marketplace here on Digistore, okay? So you have to have a Digistore account to get paid. Now understand, if your country is not listed, then I'm sorry, you can't be on this platform, okay? I'm sorry, you can't. So make sure your country and your city is listed and you're good to go. But let me give you a website here. Give me a second here. This is what you want to do. If you want to be a part of my network here, go to www.wesleyvirgin.com. All right, can everybody see that? Can everybody see this? Okay. And I'll put in the description below, I'll put that site as well. All right, you go there and you get a Digistore account. Does that make sense? Okay. You get a Digistore account. Digistore 24, that's the website, all right? Is everybody with me? If you're with me, comment below. Say, Wesley, I'm with you, okay? It's very important that you pay attention. It's very important that you absorb everything that I'm teaching you here, okay? All right, now after you have a free Digistore account, it's free, register now. You want to go to Marketplace, okay? And you want to scroll down to this product right here. Done for you services affiliate marketing program system, okay? Now, let me explain what that is. That is a service that I created about 1.5 years ago with me and my business partner, Ariella. I mentored her. She was a brand new internet marketer. She didn't know nothing about the online world. So I pride myself of taking like new people like you that know nothing, right? You know nothing. And I can take you and I can make you rich, okay? And I made her rich. She's rich right now, right? So this system, I'm getting ready to show you how to promote it for free, okay? You don't need any skills. All you have to do is just listen to Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Are you listening to me? Okay. Cool. All right, here we go. Done for you services, affiliate marketing system. Once you sign up for your account, let me log in real quickly here. Okay, so once you log in, see if I log in here and I go to marketplace, okay? Does that make sense? Everybody with me so far? And I'm gonna go to done for you services. Okay. You need to copy this. This is called your affiliate link here, okay? Can everybody see that? You just copy, okay? And what you do is get your notepad or something. Like I'll put it right here. Get your notepad and copy that link somewhere so you can go back to it. Does that make sense? You want to make sure you copy this somewhere on a Word doc because you're going to need it later. Is everybody with me so far? We almost done here. Okay? All right, cool. Then all you need to do is go to youtube.com. Now, because you may be asking, okay, Wesley, I have the affiliate link. Now understand that affiliate link is what you're going to use to get paid with. So when you post it, and I'm going to show you live in this video where to post that link, when people click on that link, you get paid. Does that make sense? Okay? Well, I'm sorry. When they click on it and they go through the webinar and they buy, then you get paid. Okay? Does that make sense? But it happens on autopilot. Hey, look at me. Can you say the word autopilot? Autopilot. Okay? That means you're in your bed. You're not going to the stupid 9-to-5 job. You're at home and you're making thousands of dollars a week because you listen to Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Okay? All right. So look at this. This is what you do here. You go to YouTube. This is the easiest way to do it. Type in done for you services. Type in done for you services. Okay. Now you see this? It says done for you services review. Now this is what we want to do here. Now this got over 3,000 views. This guy, he's one of my affiliates. He does pretty well. And the reason why I did this is because this guy makes about, I think, 1,000 or 2,000 per week, basically with this review video, right? Does that make sense? This is what he did. So guess what you have to do? Listen, all you have to do today, if you want to make money today, not tomorrow, this week, in the next 7 days, is do a review video about done for you services. Okay. Now, you might say, well, Wesley, I never bought the program yet. I don't even know what it is. Listen, all you have to do, I'm going to give you a link. You watch the webinar. You don't even need to buy it. As a matter of fact, don't buy it. Let me give you the link. Hold on. Here's the link. That's all I want you to do. Now, this is simple. How many of you are willing to work for what you want? Say, yes, Wes, I'm willing to work for it. Now, listen. I'm going to give you the link, okay? I'm going to share this link with you right now. Look, it's all you have to do. Can everybody see that? It's a little blurry, but can you see that? www.wesleyvirgin.com/sleep-money. Okay? Take a screenshot, please. Go to that website. What you're going to see is this. I'm going to be very transparent. Look, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this right here. See that lovely young lady? That's Ariella. That's the girl that I took from New York. She's 29 years old, and she makes $100,000 a month with me. I wire her about $100,000 every single month, okay? Every single month. She's rich, all right? All you have to do is register now. Now, listen, you don't have to buy nothing. I don't want you to buy anything. All I want you to do is to go and register for the webinar. And all I want you to do is listen to it. Then when you're done, right? When you're done, you go back here to YouTube and you do a review just like my Asian boy did, okay? Now, the reason why that guy's making 1,000 a week or potentially is because he did exactly what I told him to do, okay? Watch the webinar. The only reason why you want to watch it is because you want to understand what you're doing a review for. Does that make sense? Then you go to YouTube. Does everybody have a YouTube channel, by the way? I'm curious. Who doesn't have a YouTube channel? It's free. Get a Google account for free. All right. And you do a review of the actual program. In the bio, this is where you want to leave that link. You remember that link that we saved? Here it is. I saved it over here. You take that link. Can everybody see that? Take that link right there. Okay. And you put your link down here. Make sense? In the description, whenever you do a YouTube video, remember, let me do it live. Look at this. If I do an edit, let me go to one of my YouTube videos. Let me show you exactly how to do this. Is everybody with me so far? Oh, there you go. All right, can everybody see this? So let me give an example. Is everybody following me closely here? I want to make sure you get it because I want you to leave your job and make $4,000 a month, okay? $1,000 in 7 days. It's easy. Look at this. When you upload your video to YouTube, okay? When you upload your video to YouTube, okay? When you go to edit, all you need to do here in the description is put your affiliate link. Boom. See that? Now, you might say, well, Wesley, do I have to put that long link? No, you don't. If you want to shorten that link, then you go here. Open up a new tab. You want to go to bit.ly.com. bit.ly.com. Oh, God. Come on. All right. Is everybody with me so far? bit.ly.com. And you take your link here. This is your affiliate link. This is important that you use this link or you won't be paid once a person buy the program, okay? You paste it here. You hit shorten, okay? That makes sense? Copy. We go back to YouTube and we put it, we just paste it there. And you can put something like, want to learn more, or you can put want to make sleep money. And this is easy to do here. That's all you do. See that right here? And you just post it, and that's it. Any questions? Now I want to give away some free money. Everybody right now, put your Cash App below, okay? Go ahead and put your Cash App below right now. Put your Cash App below. I want to give a couple of people some money right now, okay? Thank you for the shares and the likes. Any questions for me? Listen, watch the video again. Once you put your link there, you take that video, you post it online, and you share that video on your Facebook page, on your Instagram page as well. Now, as long as you share this video and give me a like, I'm going to show you a trick on how to go from 0 subscribers on YouTube and how to go to a lot of subscribers, okay? Is that cool? I'm gonna show you. Like, all you have to do is like and share it. If I gave you value, hit the like and share button here, okay? All right, is everybody with me so far, okay? Put your Cash App below. Vickiana, send me a DM right now. I'm going to send you $25. ihoop._p. I'm getting ready to send you $25 right now. Rain Ann, I'm getting ready to send you $20 right now. You must have a Venmo or a Cash App, not PayPal. Venmo or Cash App. Money Boy, I'm going to send you a Cash App right now. DM me right now. All you need to do is put your Cash Apps below. Even on YouTube, if you're on YouTube right now, put your Cash App. I come back to these videos once a week and I bless people with money because I know that you're going to do exactly what I just showed you and make $1,000 per week. Okay? Is that cool? All right. So listen, let me give it to you. Let me show you something here. All you have to do, and guys, thanks for the subscribes and likes, because it's all about giving value. Now look at this. All you have to do is this. If you want to dominate this keyword, if you have 0 subscribers, and I have a video on my YouTube right now that shows you how to do it in detail, but I'm gonna give you the brevity of it. You type in done for you review like this. Watch this. Done for you review. I'm sorry, done for you services. There we go. Okay, you see that? So what we want to do is a filter, because what we want to do is we want to rank fast. All right, we go to filter, we go to view count here, and let me type this in. Hold on. There we go. Done for you services like this. View count here, and look at that. Elad Murad. He did a review, 6,000. All you need to do is copy that. Sorry, Elad. I love you, though. Copy this. See? Copy that. And make sure you use a cool, provocative, cajoling thumbnail. That's it. That's the secret on how to increase views fast if you have no subscribers at all. Now, if I deserve your like, hit the like button. If I deserve your love, hit the like button as well. I want to give away some more cash apps before I let you guys go. Hey, if you don't mind, hit the sub button here. And guess what? In this description below, in the comments, give me more feedback and say, tell me what you want. I have so much knowledge about the internet companies. Like this year, we're going to do about $60 to $100 million this year. I'm blessed. But I pride myself because I give free content like this to help you big-headed people like yourself make a bunch of money, okay? Yes, this is legit. Just watch the video again and start doing it tonight. Just do it tonight. Do a review. Remember, go through the webinar. See what it's about. Say some cool things about the webinar. Post the video on YouTube. Make sure you use a headline that is very, very cajoling and very provocative, right? Something that's gonna make people click. Use a cool thumbnail, okay, as you like it, and then post it. Leave it in your group. Understand this, that program is $1,000. You don't have to pay for it, okay? It's $1,000. I'm gonna give you $500 every time somebody that you don't know buy it, okay? We have over 300 testimonies online of newbies just like you that's making a ton of money. But listen, don't buy it, make money first, okay? Last person here, I want to give it to a young lady. I want to bless a young lady right now with some money. Put your cash apps below. Somebody said, can you pay my college tuition, Wesley? Just follow what I just showed you in the video. You can do that, okay? Okay? Summer Love. I want to bless you, sweetheart. $25. Okay? And just use it. It works. It's very powerful. Martinez. All right, Martinez. $25. Who else? Who else wants some free money? All right, guys. This is Wesley. $1 billion version. Hey, thanks for the likes. Thanks for the subs. And get ready because the next video is going to be insane. But you, in the comments below, tell me what I can do for you. Let me service you. If you don't open up your big mouth, I can help you win. Much love. Let's go. Later.